All your unit tests pass, but users still can't complete a purchase. What went wrong? End-to-end testing, or E2E testing, checks your entire application from the user's perspective, from start to finish. Instead of testing a single function in isolation, you're testing a complete real-world workflow. Think. A user visits your site, logs in, adds something to their cart, and checks out. That entire journey validated as one test. E2E tests simulate exactly what a real user does. They click buttons, fill in forms, navigate between pages, and verify what appears on screen. Here's a Playwright example. It opens the shop, clicks add to cart, fills in an email, clicks checkout, then asserts an order confirmation is visible. No mocks. Real browser, real actions. End-to-end tests verify that every layer works together. Frontend, backend, and database. A unit test might confirm your checkout logic works in isolation. But an E2E test confirms that clicking checkout in a real browser calls the API, saves to the database, and shows the user a confirmation. Popular E2E tools include Playwright, Cypress, and Selenium. The trade-off: these tests are slower and more expensive to run than unit tests. But they catch integration bugs that unit tests miss entirely, because unit tests never see the full picture. End-to-end testing simulates real user journeys to confirm every layer of your app works together. Try answering this one out loud. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.